Today's journey takes us into the storied world of Chinese medicine, a world where herbs aren't just plants, they're the quirky, long-lost friends of your digestive system. It's where ancient remedies meet modern dilemmas and your gut never saw it coming. But here's the catch. The gut is a stubborn character, and not all heroes make it through unscathed. So how do these magical plants handle the complex saga of the modern gut? Let's dive in and see who's up for the challenge. First up, licorice root, gankao. It's cool, confident, with a sweet undertone. But beware, overdo it, and it can get a little salty. Hello, high blood pressure. But licorice root has a job to do. Soothe the stomach, calm the inflammation, and patch up the gut like a well-meaning friend with a Band-Aid. For those with ulcers or gastritis, it's like a little pep talk for your insides. It's best enjoyed as a tea or a decoction. But remember, licorice root can be a tad high maintenance, so keep it moderate. Second in line, Chinese yam, shan-yao. Now, Chinese yam is the easygoing, steady character in this story. Not flashy, but oh so reliable, Chinese yam's goal is to strengthen the spleen and stomach, balancing the digestive system with the ease of a slow cooker. It's gentle, versatile, and can hang around for the long haul, perfect in soups or as an extract for that mellow digestive support. Next, we meet huangqi, astragalus root, huangqi. Imagine astragalus as the bodyguard of the group. It's here to help reduce inflammation and keep the immune system in tip-top shape. Leaky gut? Astragalus has you covered. With a taste that pairs beautifully in teas, tinctures, or soups, it's here to shore up defenses, keeping your gut as safe as a fortress. Our fourth guest, Cotinopsis, Dang-Can. Cotinopsis is the motivational coach of the herb team. Need a pick-me-up? Cotinopsis has you covered. Known for boosting energy and revving up digestion, Cotinopsis is that friend who nudges you to finish your plate. Often seen in broths and teas, it's a mild-mannered but effective herb, stepping in to lend strength to weaker appetites and sluggish guts. Last but certainly not least, Atractylodes, Baiju. Atractylodes is here to keep things grounded. Known for reducing bloating, improving digestion, and clearing up post-meal fatigue, Atractylodes is the dependable anchor in our herb lineup. Typically prepared as a decoction, it's perfect for those days when you just can't seem to shake that post-lunch slump. So where can you find these herbal allies? If you're in the US, local Chinese markets or stores with a wide range of Asian products are a good bet, like H Mart, 99 Ranch Market, or even health-focused stores like Whole Foods in their herbal supplement sections. Online options like Mountain Rose Herbs and Amazon also offer many of these herbs, making it easy to start your gut-healing journey. Remember, embrace the power of nature for a healthier, happier you. Subscribe for additional health and wellness tips, and thanks for watching.